Galaxies are incredibly vast and ancient structures, and usually their stories unfold over periods so long that it's hard for us to even imagine. We're talking about millions, even billions of years as stars are born, shine brightly, and then eventually die, and as huge cosmic structures slowly come together and change. It's an unbelievably slow dance, a kind of cosmic ballet that takes place over an immense amount of time. So it would be perfectly normal to be doubtful, maybe even completely disbelieving, if I told you that astronomers have very recently watched a galaxy go through a huge change in what feels like an instant in cosmic time, just a few years. The idea itself seems to go against everything we thought we knew about how galaxies develop. But what if I told you that they actually saw a galaxy wake up? Imagine for a moment a gigantic cosmic light switch being flipped on, suddenly lighting up something that was previously quiet and dark. This isn't an exaggeration. It's a real scientific observation that has caused a lot of excitement and wonder among scientists who study space. The fact that such a quick awakening happened makes us question our previous ideas about how galaxies behave and the powerful forces that control their existence. This event suggests that the universe, even in its biggest and seemingly calmest parts, can still surprise us with sudden bursts of activity and development, all happening in timescales that are, by cosmic standards, incredibly short. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Universe for Curious. Get ready because today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing space stories you'll ever hear. Imagine this, a far-off galaxy just floating there doing its thing. And then boom! Its super powerful central black hole, which was totally asleep, suddenly wakes up and lights up the entire center of the galaxy like a giant cosmic Christmas tree. It's truly one of the strangest things astronomers have ever seen happening in real time. This incredible galaxy is called SDS S1335-728. A bit of a mouthful, right? For years it was just, well, ordinary. A tiny faint smudge of light in our telescopes, just one of billions of stars out there. But then something absolutely wild started to happen in 2012. Astronomers noticed it was getting brighter. Not just a little bit, not slowly fading in and out. No, this galaxy started glowing much brighter month after month after month. It was like someone was slowly turning up a cosmic dimmer switch. And by 2021, the entire center of this galaxy had completely transformed. It became what scientists call an active galactic nucleus. Now, what does that mean in plain English? It means the supermassive black hole at its heart, a monster billions of times heavier than our sun, was suddenly chowing down on gas and dust at an incredible rate. Think of it like watching a colossal sleeping dragon suddenly open its fiery eyes and start breathing fire. The energy it was spitting out was absolutely immense. And here's the part that will truly blow your mind. This is the first time astronomers have actually caught the moment a galaxy's central black hole turned on. Right as it was happening. Usually we either see galaxies that are already on, their black holes are active and gobbling up stuff, or they're off, their black holes are quiet and dormant. To actually witness this transition, this cosmic awakening, as it happens in real time, that's like being in the perfect spot at the exact second a dormant volcano suddenly erupts. It's a once-in-a-lifetime, or rather once-in-a-universe observation. To help you picture this, think of that really quiet neighbor you have, the one who never makes a peep. You barely know they're there. And then completely out of the blue, they suddenly start throwing the loudest, most epic parties every single night. Same house, same person, but a totally completely different vibe and energy. That's precisely what happened with this galaxy. It's a mind-bending shift in personality, but on a cosmic scale. This incredible event isn't just a cool story. It raises some huge questions for scientists. What triggered this cosmic awakening? Was it a lonely star that wandered too close, got ripped apart by the black hole's insane gravity, and provided the first meal? Or has this galaxy been quietly gathering gas and dust for decades, maybe even centuries, just waiting for the perfect moment to unleash this massive outburst of energy? We don't know for sure yet, and that's what makes it so exciting. Whatever the cause, this observation forces scientists to completely rethink how often galaxies might wake up. It makes us wonder if there are more galaxies out there right now, quietly building up to their own dramatic transformations, just waiting to surprise us. And here's a really deep thought. if entire galaxies can change so dramatically on timescales of just a few years, which in cosmic terms is like the blink of an eye compared to millions of years, what else in the universe might be happening much, much faster than we ever thought possible? What other incredible dynamic events are we missing? Simply because we weren't looking at the exact right moment, at the exact right spot? It makes you feel like the universe is constantly playing tricks on us, doesn't it? If you absolutely love these rare, unbelievable cosmic stories, where the universe seems to break its own rules and show us something completely unexpected, then you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to Universe for Curious so you don't miss any more mind-blowing discoveries, and please share this video with anyone who thinks space is slow, boring, or just a bunch of static pictures. Trust me, it absolutely isn't. So here's the big takeaway from all of this. Galaxies aren't just frozen, unchanging pictures hanging in space. They are alive, they are dynamic, they are constantly changing. And sometimes, they surprise us in the most spectacular ways imaginable. The real question now is, how many other galaxies out there are quietly waiting for their own dramatic wake-up call, just waiting to burst into light and amaze us all?